Welcome everyone. Today we are working with rolling the joints. I learned this exercise from Resmaa Menakem, and yeah, he says that trauma is stored in the joints. So we'll be doing some slow rolls today to release that. So welcome and let's get started. So let's start with some grounding first. Feeling the ground or your bed or chair, cushion. Letting yourself sink into what's underneath you or behind you. Feeling that weight of gravity in the body. And as you enjoy these moments of stillness and rest, notice how your breathing responds or the sensations. Inviting the body to relax a little bit more. And if you like, you can take some big breaths to arrive more fully. Notice how the body responds when the body thinks about doing some rolling motions today with the joints. And becoming aware of a pull towards it or a resistance. Maybe you do want to do the rolling or not. You can imagine it and stay still. And just feeling the sensations of beginning a somatic exercise together. So we'll start with some head rolls and not too big, in whatever direction feels best to start. Just slowly do some head rolls. just small ones that feel right to you. You can hear some cracks maybe. And breathing and rolling. And when you're ready, you can come into stillness. Noticing the sensations of the neck as it's being woken up. Maybe there's a change in breathing or something else internally to do with circulation. And when you're ready in your own time, go the other way. Small circles, whatever feels most comfortable. Seeing if you can breathe with each roll. Embracing any cracks. And if you need to stop, just stop at any time. And coming back to stillness when you're ready. Becoming aware of that feeling in the body. Maybe there's a lightness or warmth or pulsating. And resting for a moment with your anchor, be it breath or sound. Now we'll release the shoulders, so whatever feels the best to start, frontwards or backwards. Can do big or small rolls. Remembering to breathe. It could be very small internal rolls. And when you're ready, coming to stillness. And taking that in, the change in the body. And staying with those shifting sensations. Checking in with the ground underneath you, supporting you. Or maybe your back is supported by something. And we'll slowly do rolls of the shoulder in the other direction. Slow, as fast as you want to go. Maybe with the breath if that feels supportive. Can experiment what feels good. And in your own time, coming back to stillness once more. And we'll do the wrists. And you can let the elbows flow if you like. And you can have your hands in whatever position you like. Maybe you've got some nice cracks here too. Maybe you want to yawn. That's great. And we'll go the other way with the wrists. Maybe you want to go tiny ones or a bit bigger. And shaking out the fingers a little bit and coming back into stillness. Resting the hands wherever they would like to rest. And feeling the new sensations in the hands. Noticing if it's easier to breathe or the same. And locating yourself in the quirky sounds of your house. And slowly we'll move into a rotation of the whole trunk from the waist, the hips, whatever direction feels good. And if it feels better to stand up, you can stand up. Breathing, checking the speed is right for you. Maybe there's some crunches and crackles. It's great. And when you're ready, coming into stillness, appreciating the sensations of aliveness in that area. And when you're ready, you can do the other way, seeing if it feels good to go a little bit more out or in. Just taking your time with the rotation. And if you like, you can keep moving the trunk in a way that feels good to you. Or you can come back into stillness and feel what it feels like to be in this body. And if your eyes are closed, you can keep them closed or you can open them up and look around where you are in your space and just locate yourself. Checking out something in your space you enjoy. And noticing how that changes your insides. And eyes open or close, we'll just sit still for a minute of healing silence. Thank you, friends, for this exploration. And feel free to keep rolling today. We didn't get to the ankles and knees, so we ran out of time. So, or if anything wants a re-roll, if that's a word.